Hey guys, this is the second grade art lesson. So I was talking with Mrs. Fisher, the librarian, and she said you guys are reading the book Because of Win-Dixie. So I think it would be cool if we did an art lesson where you guys illustrated, that means draw, the beginning, the middle, and the end of one of those chapters that you're reading. She told me you guys are starting with 10 and ending with 14. So you get to choose any one of those chapters from 10 to 14. When you decide to summarize that chapter with illustrations, I broke it into the beginning, the middle, and the end for you, and I have a little description of what the beginning is, what the middle is, and what the end is in a story. And we're doing the chapter, keep that in mind. Not the whole book, just the chapter. So the beginning of the chapter tells how the story starts, or that chapter starts, and it tells the characters in that chapter and the setting. The setting is the place where it's happening. If it's in outer space, then it's in space. If it's on a pirate ship, then you would draw a pirate ship. The middle tells the problem, and in any story there's going to be some problems. That's what makes it interesting. And it tells the details of that problem. And then the end of that chapter tells how that problem in that chapter is solved and tells how the chapter ends. So with the beginning, I read a summary of chapter 10. I didn't actually read chapter 10. So I have a general idea of what happened. I know Opal, the little girl, and I'm going to do stick figures. Don't do these drawings super detailed and difficult. Keep it simple unless you really want to add a lot of details. I'm going to do circle for Opal's face. She's sad. Sounds like she was telling, I'm going to do a little tear. She was telling Gloria Dump, another character, about her past. She's really sad. It sounds like she didn't know her mom. So there's Opal. Then we got this older lady. That's befriended Opal. We got Gloria Dump. I'm going to give her coily hair, frizzy curly hair. She's older. And then her dog, Win-Dixie. And he's just hanging out at the beginning, it sounds like. So I'm going to do kind of a dog-shaped head, some dog ears, or a dog ear, the neck, the abdomen, the tail, some doggy legs. And I don't know where the setting is. I don't know if this is outside of their house. I don't know. I didn't see that in the summary. So I'm just going to assume it's outside. And because I'm assuming it's outside, I should have some clouds, maybe some sun. And if that's wrong, if I didn't get the setting right, you go ahead and draw that correctly then. The middle. So she's sad. Oh, and we should probably have her talking. She's telling about her past. You can just do lines so we know she's saying something to Gloria Dump. She's telling her about her past and she's sad. So Gloria Dump, in the middle of the story, she tells her she should plant a little tree. So I draw a horizon line. I do Gloria Dump on her knees. She's planting a little tree. And Opal likes it. So that signifies a new beginning. It's a little baby tree and it's going to grow into something special. So that's the middle of chapter 10. And then the end sounds like Opal goes home. She tells her dad everything that happened. And it's a fairly positive ending to that chapter. So, bed. She's reclined, sleeping, smiling, telling her pops everything that happened. You just do word bubble with lines to show that she's telling him something. Dad's listening. And I think Opal was sleeping next to her. Looks like a crocodile. That doesn't matter. So I kept these really simple. You can make it simple. You could make it super detailed. You could spend a lot of time on it and then color it. It's up to you. But the point of this lesson is for you to illustrate or draw the beginning, the middle, and the end of one of those chapters, chapter 10, 11, 12, 13, or 14 from Because of Win-Dixie. That's it. And I did chapter 10. You don't have to do chapter 10. This was just an example for you all to watch. Okay, thank you.